Welcome to this morning meditation for positive energy. Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet space to sit. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. Let go of any thoughts or worries and focus on your breath. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful and vibrant garden. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. Walk into the garden and feel the soft grass beneath your feet. As you walk, take in the beauty of the garden and feel a sense of joy and happiness. Now, imagine yourself standing in front of a large tree with a trunk as wide as your arms can reach. Place your hands on the trunk and feel the energy of the tree flowing into you. This energy is pure, positive, and full of life. Imagine this positive energy spreading throughout your body, filling you with a sense of happiness and joy. Repeat the words "I am happy, I am energized" to yourself with each breath. Take one last deep breath in and exhale out. When you are ready, imagine yourself slowly opening your eyes, feeling refreshed and revitalized. Remember this feeling of happiness and energy and take it with you as you start your day. Now, take a moment to set an intention for your day. Think about what you want to achieve, how you want to feel, and who you want to be. As you set this intention, imagine it manifesting in your life, becoming a reality. Remember that you are in control of your thoughts and feelings. If you ever feel like you are losing your positive energy, come back to this meditation and connect with the positive energy of the tree once again. Take one more deep breath in and exhale out. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to stretch. As you go about your day, remember the positive energy that you have cultivated within yourself and let it guide you towards a happy and productive day. Thank you for joining this morning meditation for positive energy. May you have a wonderful day filled with joy, positivity, and success. I hope you found it helpful in starting your day with a positive and energized mindset. Have a wonderful day ahead.